Hey other people, what is up and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test how to get the latest working Pocket FM coins for free without downloading any Mod APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to this website. It's called spacetweak.com. You will find it easily, guys. Search down below for Pocket FM, click there, install, and guys, you will have this device supported. If it's your device supported, just click continue. So there we go. Now it will load up, it will start connecting to the API, and guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. So let's see what we'll actually get after loading this API. So it's connected and nice, it's success. Let's see. So nice, guys, access granted. You should get this page, and app icon will appear on your home screen shortly. So guys, you should get this. There we go, Pocket FM++. Open it, guys. We'll start loading and it will start searching our Pocket FM on our device. So you will get this success, and there we go. App found, click add coins, click coins amount you want to receive, and just confirm and add. It will start adding our coins, guys. I'm so happy because it actually worked. Let's wait for this loading and let's see, are we actually getting our coins? So guys, it should load up a little bit more, and that's it. Let's see, 100%. There we go. Let's see now. Nice, guys, Pocket FM coins successfully added. Now guys, just go to your official Pocket FM app, open it, and you will receive all those coins. I'm so excited, guys, because it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Spacetweak.com was the only working one. Guys, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.